October 6th, 2025. What do we have? We have an all-time high again from Bitcoin. We hit today 126,303. Kind of pulling back now at 125,722. Man, that is amazing. I'm looking at this run here and I'm thinking, okay, there's going to be some profit takers. We had a little bit here on the Friday, then again on Sunday, it looked like we had a little bit, and then it just took off again. If this was like normal stocks, we would see that the VWAP, which is the white line here, cross back here. That would have been the time to go in, and that's still a good rule. But when you have the run going for so long at such an angle like this, it's probably indicating conditions that people might start selling off and taking profits. But this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. This is not a normal stock, so it's not going to act like a normal stock. Yes, technicals are important, but also fundamentals of what's happening with this crypto, and it's doing excelente. Look at XRP. XRP is running up also. It's at $3.03. Had a good run, same thing. We'll see if it can match the 318 that they hit on the 13th, my birthday of September. We'll see what's happening there. So what is behind the huge jump in these last few days? We can look at this and say that this is institutional demand, large capital inflows. A major difference in this cycle is that the big players, funds, corporations, ETFs, institutional investors, are more involved. Strong flows into the spot Bitcoin ETFs are often cited as evidence that capital is coming in on a scale beyond all retail speculation. Also, some corporations are adding Bitcoin to their treasuries, which both reduces available supply and signals confidence in Bitcoin. Looking at the technical effects and the short squeeze dynamics as Bitcoin approaches and breaks past prior resistance levels, momentum traders and algorithms can step in, accelerating the move. Forced liquidations of short positions can create cascading buys when the price moves sharply upward. Some reports indicate significant amount of short positions were liquidated during the rally. As Bitcoin is what Bitcoin is, we also have to look at the risk. We know that this is very volatile. We know it's possible exhaustion that we're looking at or overextension. The technical indicators might become overstretched, showing us, as I explained when we looked at the chart, that it is looking like it's going to be pullback time. And that's what usually happens with regular stocks. But again, with Bitcoin, you have to really pay attention to fundamentals as well. It's not just all technical like most stock traders understand. And this is what has them questioning. And this thing might just keep going. It might be a pullback. Again, where are we looking at the pullback? We saw the 108 level here of resistance, or the level of support here at 108 is what we saw weeks ago, September 27th, around there. And then we saw the thing just shoot up. Again, look at your indicators. What are they showing you? They're showing you almost vertical up drive, almost vertical movement upwards, which tends to have traders understand that there's going to be a flattening out, a time of consolidation before the next move, or possible a bunch of sellers are going to be taking profits from this huge run. We're talking 109 to 125. That is what, $16,000 per Bitcoin. That's a good amount that you could possibly put in your pocket if you are trading. But for the most part, the majority of us are hanging on. We're holding on to this, and we know where it's going to go. And 124, 125, 126, wherever it hit today, it's only a spit in the bucket where this thing is actually going to go. This thing, Bitcoin, again, has no geographical boundaries. It has no restrictions on it whatsoever, making this commodity more valuable than any kind of fiat currency. any kind of minerals that are being mined today, even more valuable than gold.